It is not possible to consume liquids or food during dry fasting. Fasting is thought to reset the immune system by removing damaged cells. Autophagy is one of the biggest benefits of fasting. A condition known as autophagy occurs when your body recycles damaged proteins and turns them into enzymes and structural proteins. You can also get rid of pathogens through autophagy. Autophagy is essentially enhanced during dry fasting. It's always a good idea to remove excess waste from the body, especially if you're looking to live a long time. Top benefits of dry fasting. It can help remove intracellular toxicity. It can help strengthen biochemical machines. It can help improve mitochondrial function. It's a strong epigenetic stimulus. It can mimic some of the benefits of a deep sleep. Weight loss. There is evidence that dry fasting causes weight loss. Reduced inflammation. Another study of people who fasted during Ramadan showed positive effects on the inflammatory status of the body and on some risk factors for heart disease and delayed aging.